readers. So today we're going to be looking at point of view, and we're going to focus in on first person point of view. And so first thing we're going to do here, let me get my text box ready, is talk about first person point of view. Let me move my mouse here. First person point of view is when the reader is talking about themselves. We're going to focus on words in first person point of view like I, me, we, where the narrator or the author or the character is referring to themselves. So you can think of first person is I. This is when you're telling a story about something you did. So we're going to look at some sentences here and decide if they're being told in the first person point of view. So this first sentence that I have here says, Alexis was riding her bike. I noticed that they are saying Alexis. Let me pick a little bit of a lighter color. There we go. Alexis was riding her bike. In this sentence, the author is not talking about themselves. They're talking about someone else. So therefore, this is not going to be first person point of view. But let's look at sentence number 2. I was riding my bike. Here I see that clue word I. I means I'm talking about myself. And as we've already just discussed, first person point of view is talking about I. So this sentence would be referring to I, or first person. Let's look at sentence 3 and 4. In sentence 3, it says, Matt ran so fast, he won the race. So I see that they're talking about Matt. That's someone else in the sentence. I also see the word he. He is a pronoun referring to Matt, and again, it's someone else. So sentence 3 is not first person. But if I look at sentence 4, it says, I ran so fast, I won the race. Here I see I and I again. In sentence 4, we are referring to the reader or the narrator or the speaker saying, I did that. So sentence 4 would be first person point of view. Let's look at sentence 5. They ran faster than Sam did. They and Sam are my clues here. They is talking about someone else, those people. So is the word Sam. I'm referring to someone else, not me. So this sentence is not in first person. This sentence says she fell off her bike. I see she and I see her. Both of those words tell me that I'm talking about someone else. She did that, her bike, not me. So this sentence would not be in first person. Sentence 7 says, Geneva runs faster than I do. Well, at first it's talking about Geneva running faster, but then if you notice, they're comparing Geneva to I, to me. And so sentence 7 would be considered first person. So if I'm going back through and looking again, I'm going to notice here that we had sentence 2 with I as our main person being first person point of view. Sentence 4 here said I and I, so this was first person. And sentence 7 was comparing Geneva to me, and so this one was also first person. So as a review, first person point of view is when I'm talking about myself. I, me, or we are the clue words. Today, you're going to practice by reading some sentences and figuring out which sentence is first person.